first graders, welcome to Unit 5, Week 3, Day 4. Listen as I say a word. Or. What word can I make if I add f to the beginning? So, or add f in front, for. Let's do some more. Or add in front, roar. Or add in front, more. Right, add but in front, bright. Port, adds in front, sport. Park, adds in front, spark. Okay, this is our 4th day, so I'm going to give you 3 seconds to read these words. 3, 2, 1, storm. 3, 2, 1, before. 3, 2, 1, short. 3, 2, 1, 40. 3, 2, 1, soar. 3, 2, 1, support. 3, 2, 1, snowstorm. 3, 2, 1, Mr. 3, 2, 1, Mrs. 3, 2, 1, doctor. Okay, bore, change the but to roar, change the to soar, get rid of this. Or, add a f to the front, for, add a k at the back, fork. Change the k to t, fort. Change the t to, change the f to sh, short. Get rid of the t, shore. Change the sh to sn, snore. Change the sn to sk, score. Change the sk to st, store. And that's it. Okay, so these 2 words sound alike, but are spelled differently and have different meanings. So this is like cake or pie, so you're choosing, but I think they meant this, O-A-R, or. This is like if you're in a boat, the thing you paddle with is called an oar. So this is an oar, this is like cake or pie. Okay, here are our high frequency words. Began. It began to snow last night. Better. I hope you feel better. Guess. Can you guess how old he is? Learn. She will learn to ride a bike. Right. This is the right way to hold a fork. Sure. He is sure he will be on time. And here's our story for today. It says sports stars. And here's some words you'll see. 3, 2, 1, people. 3, 2, 1, some. 3, 2, 1, were. 3, 2, 1, you. 3, 2, 1, sure. 3, 2, 1, many. I'm going to let you do this, then we'll read it together. Ready? Begin. Ready? Begin. People can be sports stars, but some things can be sports stars as well. People get better at sports when working with the right stuff. Okay, your turn. Ready? Begin. Ready? Begin. A bat is a sort of a sports star. Bats were first made in the past. Some bats in the past were short. Then people had to form a better bat. Now you can use a bat to hit a ball hard. You can make a home run. Okay, ready? Your turn, begin. cleats. Ready, begin. To run in a sport, you might need spikes. Spikes on cleats help you run. These began long ago. You can be sure that spikes are safer these days. Spikes are worn for many sports. Can you guess which sports? Okay, your turn. Ready, begin. Ready, begin. When you play a sport, you can do more. Take time to show a way to make the sport fun. Take time to make it safer. Use the right gear in a sport. Then you will be a brand new sports star. Okay, so once again we're talking about abbreviations. So do you remember what this word is? If you said Mrs., you are correct. Remember, this is the short way to write Mrs. Remember this word? Tuesday. Oops. Remember this month? August. Remember this? Road. Okay. So we're going to find the full spelling with the abbreviated spelling. So what is this? Doctor. This is street. Doctor. There it is. December. Is it street? No. December. Yes. Don't forget the periods at the end. Wednesday. Is this Wednesday? No. Is this Wednesday? Yes. And last of all is street. Okay, friends, this is our last page for today. We are comparing adjectives, and when most adjectives that compare two nouns end in -er, and most adjectives that compare three or more nouns end in -est. So the big couch is soft than the little couch. So I'm comparing the big couch and the little couch. That's two. So it would be soft-er. Okay, of the three, remember three or more, of the three kids, Cord is the shortest, because we're comparing three or more. Okay, the truck is long than the car. We're comparing the truck and the car, that's two. That would be longer. The sky is dark at night than it is in the morning. So the sky is dark at night than it is in the morning. That's two things. So it'd be the sky is darker at night than it is in the morning. So remember, two is and three is est when we're using adjectives to compare. Okay, friends, I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.